1. Subjugation, the act of bringing someone or something under domination or control. Synonyms: oppression, domination, enslavement, tyranny. 2. Imminent, likely to occur at any moment. Synonyms: impending, upcoming, approaching. 3. Perpetrator, a person who carries out a harmful, illegal, or immoral act. Synonyms: culprit, offender, wrongdoer. 4. Anguish, severe mental or physical pain or suffering. Synonyms: agony, distress, torment. 5. Dubious, hesitating or doubting, not to be relied upon. Synonyms: uncertain, questionable, suspicious. 6. Eradicate, to destroy or remove completely. Synonyms: eliminate, obliterate, wipe out. 7. The proliferation, rapid increase or spread of something, especially something undesirable. Synonyms: growth, expansion, spread. 8. Scrutiny, critical observation or examination. Synonyms: inspection, examination, investigation. 9. Prolific, producing many works, results, or offspring. Synonyms: productive, fruitful, fecund. 10. Incapacitate, to disable or make someone or something unable to function normally. Synonyms: disable, debilitate, incapacitate. 11. Insidious, proceeding in a gradual, subtle way but with harmful effects. Synonyms: treacherous, stealthy, cunning. 12. Mitigate, to make less severe, painful, or hostile. Synonyms: alleviate, reduce, ease. 13. Repudiate, to refuse to accept or be associated with. Synonyms: reject, renounce, disown. 14. Enigma, a person or thing that is mysterious, puzzling, or difficult to understand. Synonyms: mystery, puzzle, riddle. 15. Abdicate, to renounce or give up a position of power or responsibility. Synonyms: relinquish, resign, step down. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.